Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to look into something interesting. So we are going to look into the stocks bought by FIIs, which is foreign institutional investors, in the month of November. So we all know that in the month of September and October, FII, the foreign institutional investors, had sold stocks worth many crores, but for the month of November they've bought many stocks. So we are going to check out which are those stocks. So let's get started. So first one in the list is Container Corp Limited, or it is even called as Container Corporation of India Limited. Its current share price is 660 rupees. Its 52-week low is 542, whereas the high is 750. The industry PE is 24, whereas the company PE is 27. The PB is 3.40. The face value is 5. And the TTM EPS is 24.03. Promoter holding is 54%. And 2,526 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, not that good return for 1 year, because it's only given as a return of 1.91%. But this is good in this market condition, because many stocks are in negative for 1 year return. So this is good. For 1 year it is given as a return of 1.91%. For 3 years 8.79%, and for 5 years 18.52% of returns. And next is Zee Entertainment Enterprises Limited. So its current share price is 474 rupees. The 52-week low is 410, whereas the high is 619. The industry PE is 27, whereas the company PE is 36. The PB is 5.95. The face value is 1, and the TTM EPS is 13.18. The promoter holding is 42%, and an amount of 2,812 crores has been invested in this stock by many mutual fund schemes. Returns for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 12%, but for 3 years it is 6% positive. But for 3 and 5 years it is positive, for which for 3 years it is 6%, and for 5 years it is 11%. Next is Ashok Leyland. So its current share price is 104 rupees. The 52-week low is 97, whereas the high is 167 rupees. The industry PE is 28, whereas the company PE is 15. So you all can see the stock has a lot of potential to grow a lot, because it is in its 52-week low, near to its 52-week low, which is 104. The high is 167. The PB is 3.72. The face value is 1, and the TTM EPS is 6.63. The promoter holding is 51%, and an amount of 1,749 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns for 1 year it is minus, which is minus 5.96%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive, which is for 3 years 5.92%, and for 5 years it is 46.77%. Next one in the list is Marico Limited. So its current share price is 378 rupees. The 52-week low is 282, whereas the high is 387. The industry PE is 72, whereas the company PE is 56. PB is 19.14. The face value is 1, and the TTM EPS is 6.75. The promoter holding is 59%, and an amount of 2,036 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. Returns for 1 year it is 23%, for 3 years 18%, and for 5 years 29%. Next on the list is IRB Infrastructure Developers Limited. So its current share price is 151 rupees. Its 52-week low is 117, whereas the high is 286. The industry PE is 22, whereas the company PE is 6. The PB is 0.94. The face value is 10. And the TTM EPS is 24.76. The promoter holding is 57%. And 490 crores has been invested in this stock by many mutual fund schemes. Coming to the returns, for 1 and 3 years it is in negative, which is for 1 year it is minus 29%, and for 3 years it is minus 14%, but for 5 years it is in positive, which is 11%. Next one and the last one in the list is United Spirits Limited. So its current share price is 629 rupees. The 52-week low is 438, whereas the high is 811. The industry PE is 65, whereas the company PE is 66. The PB is 18.84. The face value is 2. And the TTM EPS is 9.44. The promoter holding is 56%. And the mutual fund investment is 2,153 crores. Returns, for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 5%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive, which is 2% for 3 years and 4% for 5 years. So these are the stocks which are bought by the FIIs, which is foreign institutional investors, in the month of November. So if at all you all want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your own research and then start investing. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing.
Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.